Question 1. Who invented the telephone? The correct answer is Alexander Graham Bell. Question 2. Which element has the atomic number 1? The correct answer is hydrogen. Question 3. What is the national animal of Canada? The correct answer is beaver. Question 4. In what year was the first iPhone released? The correct answer is 2007. Question 5. Which famous artist cut off part of his own ear? The correct answer is Vincent van Gogh. Question 6. What is the main ingredient in guacamole? The correct answer is avocado. Question 7. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the United States? The correct answer is France. Question 8. How many sides does a hexagon have? The correct answer is 6. Question 9. What is the fear of spiders called? The correct answer is arachnophobia. Question 10. Which Disney movie features a character named Simba? The correct answer is The Lion King. Question 11. What is the speed of light in a vacuum, approximately in kilometers per second? The correct answer is 300,000. Question 12. Which famous composer wrote Symphony No. 5? The correct answer is Ludwig van Beethoven. Question 13. In which ocean is the Bermuda Triangle located? The correct answer is Atlantic Ocean. Question 14. What is the capital of Brazil? The correct answer is Brasilia. Question 15. Which vitamin is produced by the body when exposed to sunlight? The correct answer is vitamin D. Question 16. Who is known as the father of computers? The correct answer is Charles Babbage. Question 17. What is the largest desert in the world, not including polar regions? The correct answer is Sahara Desert. Question 18. Which sport is played at Wimbledon? The correct answer is tennis. Question 19. What gas makes up the majority of Earth's atmosphere? The correct answer is nitrogen. Question 20. In Roman mythology, who is the equivalent of the Greek god Zeus? The correct answer is Jupiter. Question 21. What is the only mammal capable of true flight? The correct answer is bat. Question 22. Which element is the most abundant in the Earth's crust? The correct answer is oxygen. Question 23. In which year did Christopher Columbus first reach the Americas? The correct answer is 1492. Question 24. What is the capital city of Australia? The correct answer is Canberra. Question 25. Which famous novel begins with the line, "It was the best of times, it was the worst of times"? The correct answer is A Tale of Two Cities. Question 26. What is the name of the process by which plants make their food using sunlight? The correct answer is photosynthesis. Question 27. Which continent has the most desert coverage in the world? The correct answer is Antarctica. Question 28. Who is credited with discovering penicillin? The correct answer is Alexander Fleming. Question 29. What is the smallest bone in the human body? The correct answer is stapes. Question 30. Which planet has the most moons in our solar system as of 2026? The correct answer is Saturn. Question 31. In what year was the first successful heart transplant performed? The correct answer is 1967. Question 32. Which animal has the longest lifespan among mammals? The correct answer is bowhead whale. Question 33. What is the official language of Brazil? The correct answer is Portuguese. Question 34. Who directed the movie Inception? The correct answer is Christopher Nolan. Question 35. Which vitamin is also known as ascorbic acid? The correct answer is vitamin C. Question 36. What is the deepest point in the Earth's oceans? The correct answer is Mariana Trench. Question 37. Which famous physicist proposed the equation E equals mc squared? The correct answer is Albert Einstein. Question 38. In Greek mythology, who stole fire from the gods? The correct answer is Prometheus. Question 39. What is the national flower of Japan? The correct answer is cherry blossom. Question 40. Which organ in the human body filters blood and produces urine? The correct answer is kidney.